on day 3, and we're still mushing along. You can see got a little bit of the wrap on here.
Yeah.
This is a pretty interesting color. It shifts pretty hard from gold to black. So it's called Midnight Gold from Innosatech.
Oh,
Super high gloss finish. And it's looking pretty nice.
The whole concept here is creating a nice car but not spending a fortune.
Yeah, so I mean, if you want to get this car painted, you're looking like 15, 20 grand.
Yeah.
So I think at this aspect of doing, you know, some body work, getting the body decent enough to wrap, I mean, you're saving thousands and thousands of dollars. But again, we do have the skill to do it too.
Especially here is, you know, we customize cars.
Yes, that's correct.
And you know, the main forte is vinyl wrap. So
yeah, well, I mean, we specialize vinyl wrapping, and that's what we do best. So we've been excited to wrap this for almost a year now. Yesterday we did the lowering springs. We tried some different spacers. I got some more coming in.
Because we talked about spacers on Sunday.
Yeah.
We thought a 1/4 inch was going to do it, but what happened?
I think it's going to need more now that we put the springs on, because they didn't do anything.
Yeah.
In terms of bowing them out.
Oh, I see.
Not low enough.
Yeah.
So we are changing the tires as well. We're doing a 215 40 17 on the front, a 215 45 17 on the rear. With the self-leveling kit, it didn't drop it like I thought it was going to as much, just about an inch. So that 45 is going to sit nice. And then I think we're going to do either the 5 or 10 mil spacer on the rear, and then a 10 or 15 on the front. And then I had to get more different lugs, you know, 50 mil shanks. So we're pressing on time. We've been ordering shit, and I've been getting it expedited.
So the funny part is, is this the 3rd set of tires?
This is the 3rd set of tires. We got 3 spacers. We've changed, this is the 3rd set of wheels too. You guys haven't seen the other 2 wheels that I went through. Very indecisive, but this is the first wrap, the only color I picked, and we stuck with it.